DaoDe Jing, a very important wisdom philosophy written by Lao Tzu, and very important for those people who try to understand what Taoism is all about, why it is so important to Chinese culture. When the book started, well, Lao Tzu was born between more than 600 years before Christ already. So this book is already nearly 3,000 years. At that time, there was no copy machine. So this script has been rewritten as a copy to pass on to us today. Until they discovered the old tomb in Changsha from DaoDe. As a matter of fact, we knew there were different versions of DaoDe Jing. Because when people rewrite, sometimes perhaps writing errors, we don't know. But it doesn't matter, there are different versions. And DaoDe probably is the oldest version we discovered. It says the same as the version we read today? Not quite. For example, the first two sentences from the common version, the modern version we study. 道可道非常道. That means the way can be named is not extraordinary way. It's not consistent ordinary way. Okay, it's already extraordinary way. 名可名非常名. That means name can be named is already extraordinary name. It's not ordinary name already. What about the oldest versions of DaoDe Jing discovered in DaoDe? 道可道非恒道也. First, we're going to narrow the translations, the definition of Dao as a way, because that is the challenge in the translation. So it said way that can be named as a way is not consistent and changed way. 名可名非恒名也. Named that can be named are already not a name that consistent and changed. So what does that mean? What can we learn from these two sentences? First of all, what is a way? Way is not about Dao. It's not just about the way which you can define which way is the right way or not. It means directions. It means your consciousness to know which direction you're heading to. And this can be a way in the translation. But once you can name it, you understand from the first sentence, we understand the way can be changed from time to time. Because there's no way will sustain and change forever. So it means change is known. We have to know how to accept and adapt accordingly without losing the sight of our consciousness. 名可名非恒名也. From this sentence we understand there is no name can exist forever. So we have to understand, we have to accept that once we are gone, probably we will be forgotten. So why we are so possessively to the desire of keeping the name that cannot last forever after we are gone.